Okay, so these two batteries are quite old. One of them was bought like 6 years ago. It stayed about 2 years in service, and then about 4 years back it died. It wouldn't charge, and so it was considered dead. Same thing with this one, which stayed on the vehicle for, say, half a year connected, so it dropped, completely dropped, no charge at all. So they wouldn't charge up, they wouldn't recover. And there's a recovery device that I bought, which is pretty good. This Ultimate Speed has an intelligent CPU and it does everything for you. And as you can see, it's charging. Now you can't just use this because as you connect it, it's not gonna detect the battery because it doesn't have enough voltage to detect the battery. And if it does, it may confuse it with a motorbike 6-volt battery. So because it has a program for both of them. So how do you recover battery that is not even recognized by this device, which is pretty good? Well, the good old device that I also have here. So this is an old device. It doesn't have enough power to charge this battery. It's up to 600 amp batteries, and this one has 640 and this has 640, but it doesn't really matter. What I did was a small quick charge. As you can see, it's still charging one of those two batteries until it gets enough voltage, around 10 volts. When it gets to 10 volts voltage, you can then connect to this one, and as you can see, well, the day into it is 30.1 going all the way up to 14 when it will stop, and I'll shift this from this old battery to this old battery, and I'll recover them, both of them. And I've done this like 3 times already with other batteries that were considered dead, and I've just managed to fix them. So here's my recommendation: buy this, which is pretty good, but also buy an old one. If you don't find it on the stores, check on eBay, because this is a rather good device, as you can see.